Hey there, what's up? Hope you're doing great today. So in this video, I went to the Apple store and I got my hands on the newest AirPods. AirPods 2, second gen AirPods, AirPods with wireless charging case, whatever you want to call them. But I got the new AirPods and supposedly this was the last pair available in all of South Florida. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing it and we're going to be reviewing it to see if it's worth the upgrade. Let's go. Alright, so finally got the AirPods 2. I've been wanting to get them for a little while now, just to review them and to see what the big deal is, if the upgrades is really worth the price and what's going on with prices right now. I also got some other accessories as well. Play around with it. I got the wireless charging case, which we'll be reviewing as well, and the Catalyst waterproof case, which we'll be testing in future videos as well. So let's go ahead and unbox it, set it up, and review it. Alright, so here we have it. The box looks pretty much the same as the first gen AirPods. It just has the picture of the AirPods here in the front. Here on the top it says AirPods wireless charging case. And here on the side, Apple logo. Down here we have the price, which is $199 for the AirPods with the wireless charging case. So not bad. And then here we have just model information and the serial number. Another Apple logo here on this side. And then here on the back we have a picture of the AirPods with the wireless charging case. And then just a little bit of information down here. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so first thing we see here is the manual booklet here that says designed by Apple in California. And then here we have the Apple AirPod wireless charging case. Let's go ahead and remove this. And there we have it. The main difference is it just has the little blinking light right here instead of inside like the older AirPods. Let's see what else comes in here. I think that's pretty much it. Oh, and we have a Lightning to USB data cable. And then in here, the manuals, we have probably just the manuals, terms and conditions, and looks like they did not give us a Apple sticker this time. All right, so let's go ahead and get my first gen AirPods, which I have right here. Let's go ahead and remove them from this case. So as far as I can tell, they're pretty much the same size. They didn't change the size of the case at all. They are the same height, same width. The only difference, like I mentioned, is that the blinking light is now showing on the front for the new AirPods, while it is showing inside for the previous AirPods. Let's go ahead and remove one of the AirPods here and one of these. Hopefully we don't confuse these now. So on the right here, we have the old AirPod, and on the left, we have the new ones. All right, I do notice that the small hole here, I believe that's for the microphone input, might be. It's a little bit smaller on the new ones than on the previous model. This down here looks the same pretty much for both of them, but they are pretty much the same. If I didn't know which one was which, I would not be able to tell one from the other. All right, so let's go ahead and set them up with my iPhone. So once we open it, there you go. It pops up automatically on the iPhone. And then all we have to do is just hit connect. And we can set it up to where all we have to do is say, hey Siri, and Siri will pop up on the AirPods, where before we would have to double tap to activate Siri. So let's set it up. Hey Siri, hey Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. And there you go, Siri is set up. There you go, it shows the battery percentage on the AirPods and on the wireless charging case. Cool. Alright, so let's go over the specs of the new AirPods now to see if it's worth the upgrade. Alright, so first off, they have a new H1 chip installed in the new AirPods. So what that means is that they're faster, and if you're switching in between devices, like from your Mac, iPhone, iPad, it will switch between devices up to 2 times faster. Also, when you're switching in between phone calls, the connection time is up to 1.5 times faster as well. Also, it has more talk time now because of a better battery, and it also has voice activated Siri. So before you would have to double tap to activate Siri. Now you just say, hey Siri, and your AirPods will activate Siri. And obviously the biggest upgrade that you can't forget to mention is that they come with the wireless charging case now. for those of you that love wirelessly charging your devices. Another important thing is that they're claiming to have higher quality sound because of the H1 chip, and also the microphone quality, meaning when you're talking to other people, also has better quality as well because it knows when you're talking, so it filters out external sounds and focuses in on your voice. So with the better battery life, you can now use the AirPods up to 24 hours with the charging case. So with one full charge of the wireless charging case, you'll be able to use your AirPods for a full 24 hours on and off, recharging them back in the case. Also, with one full charge to the AirPods from the case, you'll be able to remove the AirPods and use them non-stop for 5 hours. Also, if you just set the AirPods in the charging case and leave them in there for about 15 minutes, you'll be able to use the AirPods for about 3 whole hours. So the new AirPods with the wireless charging case, it's $199, so pretty much the same price as the first gen AirPods when they came out, but now they give you different options. You can also buy the new AirPods with a regular charging case, so it won't come with the wireless charging feature, and those are a little bit cheaper. They're at $159. So if you don't feel you're going to be using the wireless charging that much, you might as well get the $159 model, which brings all of the new updates as well. You're going to get everything else except for the wireless charging. And on the side note, if you bought the AirPods with the regular charging case and you decide you want to upgrade and get the wireless charging case, now Apple sells just the wireless charging case by itself without the actual AirPods for $79. So they're giving a couple different options now for buyers, and I think that's something smart and good for the end consumers. Alright everyone, so in my opinion, do I think that it is worth upgrading to the new Apple AirPods 2? Well, based on the price, in my opinion, it pretty much is, because they're the same price as the first gen AirPods now. You know, you can get the new AirPods, like I said, for $159 without the wireless charging case. And if you want the wireless charging case, then pay the $199, which is $40 more, and you'll be able to receive the new AirPods with the wireless charging case as well. So, in my opinion, you know, if you have AirPods now, the first gen, and you want to get all these new features, then yeah, I think it's definitely worth upgrading to getting the new ones, because price-wise, they're about the same price as the first gen. If you were to go ahead right now and buy some first gen AirPods, the prices are still up there. You're probably gonna end up paying around $100, $120, maybe $150 for them, where you could just go ahead and buy them, the new ones, brand new, for $159 without the wireless charging case. Now, if you already have AirPods and you're thinking about upgrading to the new ones, a smart thing you can do is just go ahead and try and sell your old AirPods. So, like I said, there's a couple different websites that you can trade in your device and just get some easy cash for it. So if you want to sell your old Apple AirPods to get the new ones, you can go ahead and check these websites out. The first one is Gazelle. You can get a price from them, and then the other one is Declutter, and I'll have links down below in the description where you can check these websites out to see which one will pay you the most for your old Apple AirPods. Alright everyone, so that is it for this video. Go ahead and give it a like, and that's it for now. I will see you in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.